just that's the noise we're trying to identify. Show up the revs, like. We'll go down here and try and get the, when it does it at higher revs. Doing it now, is it?
Not quite at the revs yet.
Really hard because it's right on the gear change.
Yeah.